I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oneplus model and software version, since fast charging behavior depends on both hardware and firmware. Next, examine the USB-C port and cable visually and with a brush to remove lint. Dirt can block pins and reduce current. Then swap to the original Oneplus adapter and cable. Proprietary wiring lets the phone negotiate higher current. Once done, plug into a wall outlet, not a PC USB port, so the device can detect fast charge currents correctly. Now, make sure fast charge is enabled where applicable in settings under battery or charging. Some models let you toggle it. Then test with a known working adapter and cable while monitoring charging behavior. Fast charge should show higher wattage or warp charge icon. If charging stays slow, boot into safe mode to rule out battery-draining apps or background processes that limit charging current. If safe mode restores fast charging, uninstall recent apps until the issue stops. Finish by updating Oxygen OS and rebooting. Firmware patches often restore charging negotiation. If that fails, try a different certified Oneplus adapter. Chargers can fail even if cables look fine, or consider a battery health check if the phone is aged. As a last resort, back up data and perform a factory reset. If none of these work, test the charger with another Oneplus phone to isolate the problem. If fast charging still fails, take the phone and charger to authorized service for diagnostics and potential repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.